Are you dreaming of a Christmas where pink isn't just a color, but the theme of pure elegance? Wondering how to add a soft, feminine touch to your holiday decor while keeping it festive? In this video, we'll explore the magical world of pink Christmas decorations. From tree ideas to table setups, this is your ultimate guide to creating a pink wonderland at home. Can pink be mixed with other colors in Christmas decor? Absolutely. Pink is a versatile hue that can harmonize with a range of other colors for a balanced aesthetic. Classic metallics. Pink with gold or silver adds a sophisticated shimmer to your decor. Winter whites. Pairing pink with white creates a dreamy, snowy look. Earthy greens. Add green garlands or eucalyptus to tone down the sweetness of pink for a natural vibe. Explore similar ideas by checking out the description for more videos. How can you style a pink Christmas tree? Transforming your Christmas tree into a pink centerpiece is all about choosing the right combination of ornaments, lights, and accents. Pick a base color. Start with a pink tree or a white tree that you can decorate with pink ornaments. This keeps the theme cohesive. Layer with metallics. Add rose gold, silver, or champagne-colored baubles and ribbons to elevate the look. Top it off creatively. Use unique toppers like pink floral arrangements, bows, or even a glittery star to complete the tree. Found this inspiring? Drop a comment below with your favorite Christmas tree theme. How to add pink to your outdoor Christmas decorations? Extend the pink theme to your home's exterior for a cohesive holiday look. Pink string lights. Wrap trees, fences, or your home's facade with pink LED lights for a magical glow. Festive wreaths. Add a pink bow or pink floral accents to a traditional outdoor wreath. Yard ornaments. Use pink inflatable decorations or light up figures for a playful touch. Seen something you love? Check the description for all the products featured in this video. How to incorporate pink into your dining table decor. Your dining table can become a show-stopping centerpiece with the right mix of pink elements. Table runners and linens. Use blush pink runners paired with white or gold tableware for an elegant setting. Centerpiece magic. Arrange pink candles, flowers, and metallic ornaments in the center for a cohesive look. Personalized place settings. Add pink name tags, napkins, or even small wrapped gifts at each seat. Love this look? Make sure to subscribe for more unique holiday decorating ideas. What are some DIY pink Christmas decor ideas? Creating your pink Christmas decorations can be both fun and budget-friendly. Custom baubles, paint plain ornaments pink or add glitter for a personal touch. Handmade wreaths, use pink ribbons, faux flowers, and berries to craft a statement wreath. Tabletop trees, make small pink trees using cones and pink spray paint, perfect for mantles or side tables. Looking for products featured in this video? Check the description to shop now. What are some must-have pink decor items for a magical Christmas? Certain decor elements are essential to create a pink Christmas vibe that feels cohesive and stylish. Pink baubles and ornaments. Choose matte, shiny, or glittery finishes to add variety to your decor. Faux pink florals. Incorporate roses, poinsettias, or cherry blossoms for a lush and luxurious touch. Cozy pink accents. Think pink throw blankets, stockings, or pillows for a warm and inviting look. Want more ideas like this? Check the description for a playlist packed with holiday inspiration. What makes pink Christmas decor so unique? Pink Christmas decor stands out because it breaks away from traditional red and green themes, creating a modern and chic aesthetic that feels fresh and trendy. Versatility in shades. Pink ranges from blush to magenta, allowing you to create anything from a soft, cozy vibe to a bold, glamorous look. Blends seamlessly. Pink pairs beautifully with metallics like gold and silver, as well as neutral tones to create a sophisticated palette. Year-round reusability. Many pink decor items can be repurposed for other occasions, making it a sustainable and cost-effective choice. Like this tip? Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with friends planning their holiday decor. So, is pink the perfect choice for Christmas decor? Absolutely. Whether you're going for subtle elegance or bold creativity, pink can bring warmth, charm, and a fresh take on holiday traditions. Are you ready to make your Christmas pink and fabulous this year?